Hello and welcome to Online Storytime. My name is Miss Amanda and I work at the Lincoln County Public Library. I'm so excited that you're going to join us today. Do you see what's behind me? Yeah, we have all sorts of clovers behind me. That's because today's story time, we're going to talk about St. Patrick's Day. All right, are you guys ready to clap and say hello? Here we go. We clap and say hello. We clap and say hello. With our friends at story time, we clap and say hello. Hello, hello. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm really excited to read some books with you today about St. Patrick's Day. All right, before we read our books, we need to say goodbye to our clovers. So bye, clovers. All right, here we are back in the library, and we are going to read our book of the month. So we actually ended up giving away all our books of the month. It was very, very popular. And so we actually have a second book. So if you were unable to get the Rain, Go Away, we do still have kits with a different book in it, but you have all the same activities that you can do. And so if you have the Rain, Go Away book, you can follow along. And if not, you can follow along the video with your Rain, Go Away book that you made. All right, so here we go. Rain, go away. Rain, go away. Come again another day. We want to go outside and play. So what do they want to do? They want to go outside and they want to play. Come again another day. So do they want it to rain today? No, they don't want it to rain today. Sun, come this way. They want the sun to come where they are. So right now they have all these rain clouds, but they want the sun to come where they are. We all want to run and play. They want to run and they want to play. And if they went outside and they ran and they played when it was raining outside, what would happen? They would get all wet. Oh no. We're tired of this rainy day. They don't want it to rain anymore. Rain, would you please go away? And look, it's not raining anymore. And now they have a rainbow. They sure do. Look at that beautiful rainbow. And we talked about the colors last week. We have red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Look at that beautiful rainbow. And when the rain went away and then they had a rainbow and it was sunny outside and they could go play, how did that make them feel? It made them happy. So we are going to sing If You're Happy and You Know It, and we are going to clap our hands. Are you ready? If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Good job. All right. We are going to learn how to say happy in sign language. So if you want to say happy in sign language, you take your hands like this and you're going to put them on your chest and you go up. So happy, 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 happy. It makes me so happy to read books with you guys. All right, friends, now we're going to read the book 10 Lucky Leprechauns by Catherine Helen. So we are going to sing our author song. Are you ready? The author writes the words, the author writes the words. Hi-ho, did you know the author writes the words? Good job. All right, 10 lucky leprechauns. Are you ready? Let's count the leprechauns together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 lucky leprechauns. The woods are full of leprechauns and treasures to uncover. Fiddle-dee-fizz, 'tis magic there is when leprechauns find each other. So we have one leprechaun, and he is going to try to find some leprechaun friends. Are you ready? One leprechaun hears a noisy wee elf who's playing a squawky kazoo. Fiddle-dee-fizz, 'tis magic it is. It's leprechaun number 2. 2 leprechauns find a busy wee elf who's painting an orange spotted tree. Fiddle-dee-fizz, 'tis magic it is. It's leprechaun number 3. And look, she's painting this tree. What color? She's painting it orange. 3 leprechauns spy a nimble wee elf who romps on the green forest floor. Fiddle-dee-fizz, 'tis magic it is. It's leprechaun number 4. Yeah. So now we have 4 leprechauns. And next will be number 5. 5 leprechauns see a silly wee elf who splats in a belly flop dive. Fiddle-dee-fizz, 'tis magic it is. It's leprechaun number 5. And look, he's drinking a lemonade and playing in the water. 5 leprechauns watch a jolly wee elf who's practicing juggling tricks. Fiddle-dee-fizz, 'tis magic it is. It's leprechaun number 6. Now we have 6 leprechauns. 6 leprechauns spot a speedy wee elf who zooms by engines a-revvin'. Fiddle-dee-fizz, it's magic it is. It's leprechaun number 7. Look, what is she riding on? She's riding a bicycle. 7 leprechauns glimpse a lively wee elf who's balancing on the old gate. Fiddle-dee-fizz, 'tis magic it is. It's leprechaun number 8. This book has lots of fun rhyming words like gate and 8. 8 leprechauns view a frisky wee elf who's zipping through trees on a vine. Fiddle-dee-fizz, 'tis magic it is. It's leprechaun number 9. Now we have 9 leprechauns. If we add one more, how many will we have? We're gonna have 10. Are you ready to see who's next? 9 leprechauns meet a clever wee elf who's hunting for treasure, and then fiddle-dee-fizz, 'tis magic it is. It's leprechaun number 10. Yay, now we found all 10 leprechauns. 10 leprechauns find a big pot of gold at the place where the bright rainbow ends. But fiddle-dee-fizz, the true magic is. So they found a rainbow and a pot of gold, but it says that the true magic is finding 10 lucky leprechaun friends. So nice! All the leprechaun friends found each other. And that is what makes them very lucky. All right, I'm going to show you guys our activity for the week. This week, we are going to be working on sorting and colors and our fine motor skills, and we are going to be making a rainbow out of Fruit Loops. So I'm really excited. It has all of our colors of the rainbow. We've got red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. And you're going to take your Fruit Loops and you are going to put them on the different colors of the rainbow. So we're going to work on our colors. We're going to work on our sorting. So if I have a yellow Fruit Loop, I'm going to put it on my yellow line. And if I have a purple Fruit Loop, I'm going to put it on my purple line. And then we can work on our counting. For our older kiddos, we can write down how many of the different Fruit Loops we used, and we can see which number is the biggest and which number is the smallest. So we can have lots of rainbow fun with our Fruit Loops. All right, thank you guys so much for joining me today for Online Storytime. It is now time for us to wave and say goodbye. But first, I think we should go see a rainbow. There we go. Now we have a rainbow just like in our book. Both of our books today had a rainbow. And our activity this week, there it is, our activity this week, we get to have another rainbow. All right, are you guys ready to wave and say goodbye? We wave and say goodbye. We wave and say goodbye. With our friends at Storytime, we wave and say goodbye. Bye, everybody. I hope you have a great day.